Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and offload apps on iPhone? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your settings. And once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here. Now what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you see general settings and scroll all the way down until you find iPhone storage right over here. So when you go ahead and click on that, you can scroll, and then as you can see, all the applications are going to be there. So what offloading means is that you can simply go ahead and delete an application, however, not delete the data that the app is sitting on. So even when you simply go ahead and offload by tapping on the application that you want to, tap on the offload app option right over here, and then click on offload app. It's going to simply go ahead and delete the application. However, it's still going to keep your login credentials, passkeys, stuff like that. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.